Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a stash grenade in a strategic game context. This technique is crucial for disrupting enemy operations and securing your own resource advantage. We'll cover the optimal moments to deploy your grenades, ensuring maximum impact on enemy resource points. By mastering this method, you can significantly hinder your opponent's economy and gain a decisive edge in battle, turning the tide in your favor with clever plays. First, you need to accurately pinpoint enemy stash locations. These are often critical resource points or supply depots that fuel their operations. Pay close attention to the minimap and observe enemy unit paths, as they frequently lead to these vital areas. Identifying these high-value targets is the foundational step before deploying your grenade. A well-aimed grenade can disrupt their entire supply chain, creating a significant economic setback for your opponent. Once a stash is identified, precision is key for grenade deployment. Aim your grenade directly at the heart of the resource point to ensure maximum area of effect. Remember to factor in the grenade's fuse timer, allowing it to detonate just as enemy units might be gathering resources or reinforcing. Approaching from cover or using smoke can help conceal your intentions, making your attack more effective and less predictable for the enemy. After a successful stash grenade attack, it's crucial to capitalize on the disruption. Immediately follow up with a small squad to secure the now vulnerable resource point, preventing the enemy from quickly re-establishing their supply. This sustained pressure on their economy can force them to divert resources, weakening their front lines. By consistently denying them access to vital stashes, you can slowly but surely choke off their income and secure a lasting advantage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.